Uba bantai dor lengdo MLA Mawkynrew constituency ubadai ru menteri bani khmi ketelat agriculture sports kasarkar jala hakar pratrek urempang arjar arpuar ulaj ban play monogrem kum gadak ban sedang shnano ya arlik surok rong na mau belang sya mau yabang lai pen riu non riu kilometer ban na chongsha shwa shnong praspa amita kibola penyo mang tengka lembaga RIDF 16 arjar arpuai kabolong lai klur lai pholak tengka Lasaki ngani jingpli monogrem dak jingdan lang chike mara Chief Engineer NHPW Roads Shillong ba ilingdo Superintending Engineer PW Roads NH Circle Shillong ba Esletap Executive Engineer PW Roads NH Shillong Bypass Division kinang ilam shnong ba kuntup ba olet kharsono Sardar Chongsha kong amanda kapakanteng kurem ba bantai dorlingdo kinalam shnong na take shnong lam ginong shnong hakani chingelang ba bantai dorlingdo ula jingïarap dak kitar ya ginong shnong ki badan jingduna ki dkhot met kum ki machine thanchan kitar mystery kitar khaps new bat kiwe pat nalor ki blanket saaj bakasong pisa ya kiwe pat kinong shnong
Nambah. Sampai berapa?
I think to develop this road, that is from Maublang to Mawpiapang road to Maublang, so 3.606. That he has persuaded the government to take up the repair of this road under RIDF 26. And with that road, another road that is a small stretch, Jongsa Wasnong Road, that is for 8.8 kilometer only. That also has been we have made into one package, and then this was sanctioned under RIDF 26 for an amount of rupees 3.30 lakhs. So one thing I just want to know for the works, civil works, I mean for the for the improvement, including metal backtopping, the amount earmarked is for this 4.4 kilometer. It is 300 lakhs. That means 300 lakhs. But one thing we must remember this time now, for all the RIDF schemes, we also, the government has to ensure the maintenance for 5 years after the construction. So we have already earmarked 30 lakhs for that. So the total project cost for this will be 3.3 crores. And then the basic provisions which are included in the estimate is artwork in cutting. We will be doing some improvement works in certain areas where there's a problem with the side distance, and then we'll be laying fresh metal in blacktopping, and then some CD works will be taken up. Line and unlined side drains also will be taken up, and some protection walls.
Komba shispa kurtam nila yo ban pensnai surok keleng piong ke PMJSY, piong ke RIDF, piong ke CRF, piong ke state scheme nila yo ban pensna keleng jong ke constituency ke bi ke jong ni sayong ya kawai ke kentin ba ke surok ke dai yo ke kot na ke jongi dai nam dai na khamtam kinong rap lada ki don kam ban kit iki marap sayo syahat lada ka sniu surok ke bai kali kerem lada bahas surok ke bai kali ke khamduna bat ka kali rukan numah ban syong gar khanatan man kepor dai nam dai na handai lada sniu surok kamai tang si tiaw lah ban bu segar khana na fiong gumno na khamtam ngi sa mau belang sa jongsha baim dagarep karyang surrounding jongi hang ningi i baro kidai kinong rap habang ipait sa tagaliang mentadang dan kibarat kabaryang kibarang itray naman ngi im dagarep karyang tenga kwa banong pi di ban sungtho bai kan ni baka objektif ka jonga bat ka jingthrang ka jonga ka long bangan wanrah bangan shna surok ibabha khanang bat pensok ikinong song shnong hapo ka constituency ka bi ki jongni mla ban len ba mentan nadu na po lasmit ter hadu pinlet chadu stiserum pinlet keleng pinem i bang surok kelas dang ban ba pinem i kani surok jongsha menta ginong jongsha ki phu samrki kierki de shong kali chipor kilaya thunum kilaya thnam ngamitu ithauchu dainam daina namar na kaliang ke jonga ngalawan ra ke skim ka shong pat aki kontraktor ban kham pinstet ban tri bahai ka surok dengan kuah banong iping ni baka ni ke surok ni nado nalat mau yobang hado anti jongsha ngani tu iping ni surok kadai bakin siang black topping kin le bah nado bakin siang iki mau siap bat ndaladap ya kan surok mdai tang basiang rong pen bah beriu kum kiwi ngelapit ya specification kai ke badan kam ya kan surok mau ipi ngin ai bat kirongli na site bat na pedeng khnang ban syai ban lo ru ni tu ipi kanung kata ikinong nya kali awan khnang ni ban pait sundan bangan yo ban penshna no daga jaga sajang ka bapakangan itu ipi bandano slap ru ban kaya dikitin na jorong ru kar kum kita ki bangi shna ini kisngi ta sajang bitanan